They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. Make the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Fuck the ride like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic when you roll with us. And we won't live forever, but I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this look you're seeing here. Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back. If you're new here, if today is your first time tuning into my channel, you're welcome. Gorgeous, you rock. So today's video is all about this look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So if you do, please hit that subscribe, that like button, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and the post notification bell so that you don't miss any video from me. So I will catch you guys in my next one. Till then, do what you love and do it often. I'm applying a setting powder to set my concealer. This will enable my eyeshadow to pop very well. And for today's look, I'll be using this eyeshadow palette from NYX. This is the School Drop That eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking this peach color, which I'm just blending from the outer V of my eye. I'm just going back and front. Then I'm going to pick this purple shade, and I'm going to blend this from the outer V, just blending on my crease, going back and front, packing the shade in there. From that same palette, I took this white shade. This is to highlight my brow bone. So I'm just using that white eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. So I went back to that same purple shade. I'm just packing in the purple, going back and front from my crease to the inner side. Then I took another brush. This is a clean one without any product, just using this to blend the upper side of my crease. And I'm packing again the purple shade on my crease. Then I took another flat brush, added that white eyeshadow just to like clean the edge of my brows. So I took that same brush without any product on it, just to like clean the edge. So I'm taking this light purple. It's kind of whitish purple. I don't know how to put it, with this purple to like blend my crease with that. So right now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm using this full coverage concealer from Sac Lady. I'm using that to cut my crease. It looks rough right now, but don't worry, we are going to fix that, and I'm not too perfect, but at the end I'm sure you're going to like it. So I'm just like kind of correcting those mistakes. Yeah. So I picked this I took this highlighter from this palette, this blush palette from Primark. I'm just applying that on my lid. Then I took this eyeshadow from Sephora. This is from Fora. This is a metallic eyeshadow in the shade, in purple shade. I'm just packing that on the center of my lid, in the center. So I took another brush, then I'm just packing that same purple in the center of my lid. So I took glitters because I want this look to like be very pronounced and gorgeous. So I'm just adding purple glitters. You can add as much as you want. So I'm just adding that to the on top of that purple at the middle. So I took this very dark, it's kind of a dark black dark purple, I don't know how to put it, and a lighter one. Just blending that at the outer bit of my lid, kind of like give that corner a smoking look because I want it snatched. While I'm doing this, I don't want to draw a kind of a wing, so that is why I'm concentrating on that part. So I took that same highlighter to like concentrate on that crease. I want the line to be very bold and pronounced. I'm just trying to like clean that line. So I took this purple from this eyeshadow palette from Kiko. This is their active fluid eyeshadow palette. I'm just packing that on the outer bowl of my lid. So right now I'm removing my eyeshadow, guys. So I took this eye pencil, this eyeliner, purple shade, just to align my waterline, and I took the white one as well to align my waterline. I start from my inner tail dot to the middle with the white, and the purple from the outer bit to the middle. So I went back to that same palette and take this purple just to blend under my waterline. So I'm using this mascara. This long lasting waterproof vitamin E mascara. I'm applying that on my lashes. So I'm going to pop in these lashes, these Fossis from Free. I like them. Each time I'm going for a dramatic look like this, I like these lashes because the look it gives to me make my eyes look more bold. So that is why I like these lashes. I use them a lot. I'm just popping that in. And for my inner tear dot, I went back to the palette, this NYS palette, and I took this kind of is kind of silver, so I just pop that on my inner tear dot. And for my bottom lash, I'm using mascara to open my eyes. This point is very important because when you use Fossis, you don't add mascara on your bottom lash, your eyes look so weak. So with this, your eyes will look more sexy. You can never go wrong with adding mascara to your bottom lash. So I went back to that highlighter just to highlight my backbone. And for my lips, I'm using this liquid lipstick, this kind of a lilac color. I'm just applying that on my lid, and I took a lip liner, this a brownish lip liner, just to align my lips as well. So I added this liquid transparent gloss just to make my lips look glossy and to look more bigger. OP. I like it. I like the mixture of this black and this brown. So that is it, gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The look is so stunning. And if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell. In that way you don't miss any video from me. I know, gorgeous, you wouldn't want to miss anyone. And if it is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time. That is it. I will catch you guys in my next one. Then do what you love and do it often. Bye guys.